Hare Krishna. Today our satsang is desire. Desire is the root cause of all troubles. So first let us understand what the desire is. Desire is the outcome of the search for happiness. When a soul feels to be happy, it searches for its source of happiness, and the source available to the human beings is the sensual objects. So it's through the medium of mind it wanders among the sense objects and starts search for happiness, and thus the path of happiness begins. But the material world's happiness, if you want, you have to pass through a chain of karma. So from the results of karma, you can seek the sensual object of happiness. So you are indulging yourself again and again in the chain of karma, because your soul always wants a new sort of happiness through the sensual objects which have a value outside your body. So to pay the values, you need the fruits of action, and through the fruits of action you can satisfy your desires. But the thing happening is, though you are constantly striving with hard struggle through the chain of karma for the satisfaction of the desires, your desires are not totally fulfilled. You have not reached the point of satisfaction in you where you can say, no, that is enough. Never there was enough for you. Some desires you fulfill, some new emerges, and there is no total point of satisfaction for you. So Lord Sri Krishna says, these desires are the outcome of passion. When you passionately get attached with the sensual objects, then from that attachment a lust or desire is produced. So our body is a bundle of desires, and that desires are instigating you for the karmas and struggle. And you implicated yourself for the satisfaction of desires, struggling very hard with mind and intelligence for success. But have you ever been satisfied? No. You still remain a thirsty person, because the source of happiness through sensual object is not the true happiness what soul is seeking. Soul is spiritual in nature. The sensual objects are material in nature. There is a deep contradiction in both of that, in value and in quality. And because the material nature is of inferior quality, you are not getting satisfied with the highest desired object or highest value of object in this material world. So then what is the real happiness? Real happiness is the spiritual happiness. Is spiritual happiness sought from the association of the grace, from the association of the God. Because God is supreme spiritual, you are marginal spiritual. When they both relate together, then you feel that desire is satisfied totally. Because the quality, the spiritual quality is one there. but you have mistaken the source of happiness as sensual object for yourself, and that had made you wandering in the cycle of birth and death from time immemorial. So, my dear friends, turn the channel of your desires. Instead of material desires, focus on spiritual desires. Try to satisfy the Lord by your little efforts, and God is mercifully quickly gets satisfied, and He bestow grace on you. And as soon as His grace is bestowed on you, then you will start feeling total satisfaction in yourself. Then you need not depend on any material object for your satisfaction. That indeed is the freedom from slavery of desires, slavery of sensual objects, slavery of karma results. That is the bondage, freedom from bondage. So, my dear friend, turn your channel of desires from material, jump to spiritual, become a devotee, start serving Lord Krishna, and in reciprocation of Krishna's mercy, then you will definitely enjoy a perfect peace and happiness, and you will feel all your desires are fulfilled. Thank you, and Hare Krishna.